Hello and welcome to this video on how to see Google Map history. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Google Map application. And when you are inside the Google Map interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon, or you can also call that your profile icon. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear. You just have to look on the bottom of the pop-up box, and on the second last there will be settings. So you just have to click on the settings, and settings section will appear right in front of the screen. And when you're inside the settings section, you just need to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see maps history. So you just have to click on the maps history, and when you click on the map history, then the history of your previous source results will be shown to you. So this is how you can easily access the Google Map history. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.